ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायैस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। We are observing the appearance day of Srimati Radharani, Sri Radhashtami festival. It is a very important day for the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. The Gaudiya Vaishnava, who are the Gaudiya Vaishnavas? Gaudiya word is coming from the word Gauri, means Srimati Radharani. Those devotees who exclusively has taken shelter of Srimati Radharani and under guidance of Srimati Radharani, they are serving Krishna. They are called Gaudiya Vaishnavas. And everybody, all the devotees around the world, they all need mercy. Even an ordinary jiva, ordinary living entity, they are always praying for mercy, praying for kripa. And devotees also, they are praying for mercy. In order to get the mercy of Krishna, they are doing bhajan. They are performing different type of sadhana. Some doing tapasya, austerity, they are doing yoga, pranayam, and so many processes they are following. And especially among them, the highest type of spiritualist, they are devotees of Krishna. Those are Krishna conscious devotees. They are chanting the names of Krishna. They are doing bhajan of Krishna. Their goal is to go beyond dharma, artha, kama, moksha, to go beyond the Vaikuntha planets and ultimately attain Krishna prem. That's what they are doing bhajan. They are always praying for the mercy of Krishna. Without mercy of Krishna, nobody can attain their perfection. How to get the mercy of Krishna? We should understand Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Almighty. Krishna is the complete Shaktiman and complete energetic. And what is the complete energy? The complete energy is Srimati Radharani. Ataparahita suraj nahi jani, murgamada taragandha jaiche avichcheda. Like we cannot separate the heat from the fire. We cannot separate the heat from the sun. It is always combined together. The existence of the sun is with the heat. Similarly, the existence of Krishna is with Srimati Radharani. They are not different. They are one. Because Radharani is the complete energy of Krishna. But if somebody is doing bhajan of Krishna and devoid of Radharani, without Radharani doing bhajan of Krishna, that bhajan is incomplete. The so-called devotional service is incomplete. Radha bhajane jadi mati nahi vela, Krishna bhajana taba akarane gela. And you cannot do bhajan of Krishna, you can never attain the perfection of your bhajan. You cannot never attain Krishna prem. If you are doing bhajan, only bhajan of Krishna, not the bhajan of Radharani. And those who are only worshipping Krishna, kevala madhava pujaye so ajnani. They are ignorant. They are foolish. Only worshipping Krishna, Madhava, without Radharani. They are disregarding Radharani. Radha anadara karai abhimani. They are so much egoistic. They are ignoring, disregarding Srimati Radharani. That's why kabai nai karibi tankara sanga chitte ichhasi jadi braja rasa ranga. Great Acharya Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is teaching us. One should not associate with this type of devotees, those who are only worshipping Madhava, worshipping Krishna, and not taking shelter of Radharani, not doing bhajan of Radharani. If you have desire to enter into the dear abode of Krishna, Brajadham, if you have desire to get that pure love present in the heart of the Brajavasis, present in the Brajabhumi, you want to attain that. If you want to serve Krishna in Vrindavan, then don't associate those who are only worshipping Krishna without Radharani. That's why, in the opposite words, if somebody has attained that stage, Radhikara dasi jadi hoye abhiman, Sighrai milai tava gokulakan. If one has attained that stage, that person is the servant of Radharani, maid servant of Radharani, then Krishna is very easily attainable by that person. Then now this is the position. Without the mercy of Radharani, Krishna cannot perform anything. Even without Radharani, Krishna cannot perform any of his pastimes. Even creation, Krishna cannot do. Even the pastimes in Vrindavan, cannot do. Krishna cannot perform Ras Lila. Krishna cannot do anything. Krishna is impersonal Brahma without Srimati Radharani. That's why Krishna is dependent on the mercy of Srimati Radharani. And especially those who are very most dear to Srimati Radharani. Who are they? They are the maid servants of Srimati Radhika. Without them, without their favor even, Krishna have no access to the intimate pastimes. Krishna cannot become Rasika Shekhar even. Without Radharani's mercy, Krishna cannot become Rasika Shekhar. Krishna has two main characteristics. Krishna, why performing all the Leela, it is main two reason is there. One is Rasika Shekhara, second is Parama Karuna. The two main characteristics of Krishna. Rasika Shekhara means he is the topmost among the Rasika. He releases the rasa, the mellow, loving, devotional mellow of his devotees. And second one is Parama Karuna. He is supremely merciful. If he is Rasika Shekhara, releasing rasa, how he became Rasika Shekhar? By performing the Ras Leela. How the Ras Leela became possible? Only by the mercy of Radharani. Only Radharani made that impossible possible. That Rasika Shekhar made Krishna release the highest limit of loving mellow, so that Krishna became Rasika Shekhar by the mercy of Srimati Radharani. Parama Karuna, supremely merciful. When Krishna wants to give mercy to the whole universe, even more than what mercy he gave in all the incarnations, even as Lord Krishna, as Lord Rama, as Lord Baman, Kurma, Baraha, so many innumerable number of incarnations Krishna took. And in all the incarnation, he showered mercy on the residents of this earth planet and demigods, and everyone he gave mercy. But Krishna is not called the supremely merciful in those incarnations. Because in those incarnations, the mercy has some limit. But Krishna developed the desire to be the most merciful. How he could be most merciful? Only the sum total of all the mercy, the embodiment of all the mercy potency is Srimati Radharani. That's why when Krishna desired to become supremely merciful, then Krishna has to take the mercy from Srimati Radharani. By Radharani's mercy, taking the Radharani's mood and complexion, then Krishna could become the supremely merciful Sri Gauranga and Anarpita Charinchirat Karunaya Avatirna Kalo. Even he taking that mood and complexion of Srimati Radharani, he offered that really achieved Krishna Prem to one and all. He offered them, distributed the highest type of love of Godhead, Unnat Ujjwal Ras, to all the jivas. Krishna became so much merciful. He offered this Krishna Prem and then wanted to bring all the jivas back to Godhead, to Golok Vrindavan. How it became possible? Only by Radharani's mercy. By Radharani's mercy, taking the mercy of Radharani, Krishna became Sachinandan Gaur Hari and then became Param Karunika, and he became most merciful incarnation. That is Sri Gauranga. And any pastimes of Krishna is only possible by the mercy of Radharani. That's why Krishna even praying for the mercy of Radharani. So many in pastimes, in Leela, in Vrindavan Leela especially, which is Madhurjamay Leela, in sweetness pastimes. Always Krishna is begging for the mercy of Srimati Radharani. Even other than Vrindavan, in any planet, any incarnation of Krishna took, Krishna expanded himself to innumerable numbers of incarnations, and always Srimati Radharani manifested to assist in the pastimes to make it happen. So by Radharani's mercy, Krishna's all this Leela is happening, especially in Vrindavan. What is Vrindavan? We should know that. We know that usually, we know that the abode of Krishna is Vrindavan. Supremely worshipable Krishna, Aradhya Bhagavan, Brajesh Tanaya, the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna, supremely worshipable. The abode of that worshipable Krishna is Vrindavan. This is what we know. But actually, it is not. What is real Vrindavan Dham? Vrindavan Dham is Radha Padankita Dham, Vrindavana Jaranama. The Vrindavan Dham is ornamented by the foot dust of Srimati Radharani. Because of Radharani's footprints, Radharani's foot dust spread around Vrindavan. That's why Vrindavan is glorious, not for Krishna. And Krishna is eagerly serving that dust of Vrindavan, becoming a cowherd boy, a Gopal in Vrindavan. Because that Vrindavan Dham is Radha Padankita Dham. In other words, Jaya Jaya Radhanam Vrindavana Jaradham Krishna Sukha Vilasara Nidhi. All glories to that name of Radharani. Everywhere Radhe, 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 Radhe. Everywhere in Vrindavan chanting Radhe, Radhe. All glories to that Radha Nam. And that abode of Radha Nam is Vrindavan. Not that the abode of Krishna Nam is Vrindavan. Never. The abode of that Radha Nam is Vrindavan Jaradham, where Krishna Sukha Vilasara Nidhi, Krishna performing all his pastimes, and Krishna becomes ecstatic, blissful in his pastimes observed because of that Vrindavan, which is the abode of Radha Nam. Every living entity in Vrindavan, all the trees, creepers, birds, insects, animals, and all the gopas, gopis, cows, calves, deers, everyone, they all chanting the names of Radhe, 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 Radhe. Even in the peacock feather of Krishna, it is written Radha name. That's why Krishna is holding on his forehead, honoring. This is Vrindavan. That's why, if Radha bhajan jadi mati nahi bhela, is somebody not doing bhajan of Radharani, all his bhajan for Krishna becomes useless. It becomes useless. That's why the glories of Radharani. And especially Krishna, for himself, to become Rasik Shekhar, to become Param Karuna, to do anything, needs Radharani's mercy. And Krishna not only praying for the mercy of Radharani, even sometimes Krishna has to pray, beg the maid servants of Srimati Radharani. Jat kinkarisu bahusa khaduka kubani. The Rasik Acharya, Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, in his famous Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi book, he has described the glories of Radharani, the supremacy of Srimati Radhika. He is describing Jat kinkari subahusa khaduka kubani nitya parasya purusasya sikhanda mole jasya kada rasa nidhare vrisabhanujaya tat keli kunje bhavanangana marjani sam. Krishna is in begging mercy from the maid servants of Srimati Radhika. Radha pada bina kabhu Krishna nahi mile. Simple words, in simple words, Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, without taking shelter of Radharani's lotus feet, you'll never attain Krishna. Rather, if you take shelter of what to speak about Radharani, even you take shelter of the maid servants of Radharani, you will also get Krishna. How? Where is the position of those maid servants of Radhika? What is their position? We should understand. Here is their position. In the grove in Vrindavan, Radharani is present in that grove. In that grove of Vrindavan, Radharani is there in the grove. And the maid servants are serving there as the bodyguard, the gatekeepers. And Krishna, being Supreme Personality of Godhead, Jat Kinkari is begging at the feet of those maid servants to get access so that Krishna can go and pray to Srimati Radharani, take the darshan of Radharani, take the foot dust of Srimati Radharani. This is Krishna's position. But even the maid servants, they can feel the desire of Srimati Radharani. If Radharani doesn't want to meet with Krishna that time, they won't allow Krishna. They have power to reject Krishna, to say, Krishna, get out. This is our Acharya Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. In his famous Guruvashtakam, he is saying, Nikunja juno ratikeli siddhai jajali vir jukti ra apekshaniya tatrati daksha dati vallavasya bande guru sri charanarvindam. Those maid servants of Srimati Radhika, they are none other than our Gurudev, our Guru Varga. And they are the maid servants present, serving in that grove. When Krishna is approaching them, and what is they doing? Sometimes they have to test Krishna. They have to test Krishna, argue with Krishna. Sometimes they have to defend on behalf of Srimati Radharani. They argue with Krishna. Even sometimes they tell Krishna, get out. Upeksha, neglect Krishna. Even such Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. Even these maid servants are so high class because of maid servants of Srimati Radharani. That's why their position is so high. Even they can neglect Krishna. They can tell Krishna, get out. This is their position. So this is, we should understand, Krishna even begging for the mercy of those maid servants. So if you want to get the mercy of Radharani, it not necessarily you have to pray to Krishna. You can pray to Krishna. Like we have prayer, our Gurudev taught, you can pray to Krishna. O Shyama Sundara Sikhanda Sekhara Smerahasa Murali Manohara Radhika Rasika Mam Kripa Nidhe Supriya Charana Kinkaring Kuru. O Shyam Sundar, if you are pleased upon me, I don't want anything from you. You are the famous flute player, peacock feather, Supreme Personality of God. If you want to do a favor, give me mercy, then make me a maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Radhika Rasika Mam Kripa Nidhe Supriya Charanam Kinkaring Kuru. Your dearest Srimati Radharani, and make me a maid servant of your Radharani. This is prayer, high class prayer. But our Guru Varga, Our Gurudev, Param Gurudev, they are all most dear to Srimati Radharani. Gurudev, Om Vishnupad, Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj. We are praying. Namo Vishnupada Radhikayai Priyatmane. Radhikayai Priyatmane means who is most dear to Srimati Radharani because of maid servant of Radharani. Very dear to Radharani. Again, we are praying to Srila Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Guru Maharaj, his prayer. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale. Srimate Gaura Govinda Swami Niti Namini. Krishna Prestha, most dear to Krishna. Who can be more dear to Krishna? Radharani's maid servants are most dear to Krishna. Again, the prayer of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur is very foremost Acharya of our Gaudiya line. Sri Barsabhanavi Devi Daitaya Kripabdhaye, recipient of the mercy of Sri Barsabhanavi Devi. He identified himself as Sri Barsabhanavi Daita Dasa. Daita means who has offered his heart and mind, soul, everything at the lotus feet of Sri Barsabhanavi Devi. Who is Barsabhanavi Devi? Srimati Radhika. And Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur gave his identity as the servant of Sri Barsabhanavi Daita. His Gurudev is Barsabhanavi Daita, most dear to Srimati Radharani. Barsabhanavi Devi offered everything to Radharani, and I am that servant of him. That means indirectly you can tell most dear to Srimati Radhika. This is the identity of our Guru Varga. If you pray to such Guru Varga, Gurudev, Param Gurudev, in our line, Gaudiya Sampradaya, their mercy, Radharani's mercy will follow their mercy because they are most dear to Srimati Radharani, more than Krishna. That's why if you have taken exclusive shelter that our Gurudev Srila Gaur Govinda Swami Maharaj is to give in time of initiation, Guru Seva is direct service to Srimati Radharani. Direct service. Because they are made servants of Srimati Radharani, most intimate to Srimati Radharani. They are serving Radharani in the Kunja, in the grove. This is their position. Without their mercy, you will never attain the mercy of Radharani. And without the mercy of Radharani, whatever you are doing, your sadhan, your practice of devotional service, everything, you will only give you very little result, almost nothing. That's why Karunam Kurumai Karuna Bharati. This is Radharani's mercy. Radharani's mercy, everybody is praying. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, when glorifying Srimati Radharani, in his Manasiksha, he is saying, Ratim Gauri Lilapi Tapati Saundarja Kirani Sachi Lakshmi Satya Paribhavati Saubhagya Balanai. This Ratim, the consort of Kamadev, Cupid, Rati Devi, very powerful goddess who can keep Kamadev, Cupid under her control. Even goddess Parvati, Latim Gauri, Lila Sakti Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi, Lila Sakti can keep Lord Narayan under her control. Ratim Gauri Lilapi Tapati Saundarja Kirani. And their beauty is coming from where? From the beauty of Srimati Radharani. Their beauty existing, dependent on the beauty of Srimati Radharani. Even there, all the goddesses, Sachi, Lakshmi, Satya, Lakshmi Devi, Sachi Devi, and Sachi, Lakshmi, Satya, Satyabhama Devi from Dwaraka. Even their good fortune, all their good fortune that dependent on the Srimati Radharani's good fortune. They all indirectly from Radha Kripa Katakhyastava, if we recite, we see Apara Siddhi Rigdhi Digdha Satpada Ungli Lakhe. Even the ray emanating from the toenail of Srimati Radharani. The ray emanating, the beautiful ray emanating from the toenail of Srimati Radharani can benedict all the boons, everything. So all the Ananta Koti, unlimited numbers of Vaikuntha planets, all the gods, all the goddesses, indirectly, They are all receiving mercy from the ray emanating from the toenail of Srimati Radharani. This is what Kripa Katakya Stava is saying. Radharani is so powerful. That's why Krishna always remains himself under subordinate to Srimati Radharani. There is so many prayers is there. That Smaragarala Khandanam Mama Shirasi Mandanam Dehi Pada Pallav. Krishna is begging the mercy of Srimati Radharani, the foot dust of Srimati Radharani. This is Krishna's position. That's why if you want to get the mercy of Radharani, only possible by Gurudev's mercy. That Guru should be most dear to Radharani, our Guru Varga. Even you want to get Siddha Pranali, you want to get your perfect body, your perfect name, perfection. Nija Siddha Deha, Nija Siddha Nama, Nija Rupa Savasan. You want to get your perfect body and want to serve. How will get? Radha Kripa Vale, Labhi Baba Kabe Krishna Prema. By Radharani's mercy only, you will attain Krishna Prema, otherwise not. That's why, in concluding words, we should understand that what you should do in this life. Only you have to pray for the mercy of Srimati Radharani. Aisi kripa karo Sri Radhe, dijo Vrindavan ko vas. O Srimati Radharani, O Kripamayi Radhe, merciful Radharani, give me shelter in Vrindavan Dham, your dear Vrindavan Dham. And where in Vrindavan Dham, what I'll do? Dear Vrindavan ko vas, जो हरि भक्तों के साथ. Not only the shelter in Vrindavan Dham, but also your most dear devotees association. Without that, residence in Vrindavan is not complete. In complete words, our Rasik Acharya Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad describing in Radha Rasudhanidhi, Sudhanidhi book. Anaradhya Radha Padam Bhajarenu Anasritam Vrindatabim Tad Atabhyam Asambhasya Tad Bhava Gambhira Chittan Kutah Shyama Sindhu Rasasya Bagaha. Anaradhya Radha Padam Bhajarenu Anasritya Vrindatabim Sat Atabhyam. If you want to get the Krishna Prem, your ultimate perfection, if you want to drown yourself in that ocean of Shyam, in that ocean of Krishna Prem, you want to drown yourself. How to possible? First one, if you are not taking shelter of that Vrindavan Dham, which is non-different than the foot dust of Srimati Radharani, which is beautified by the foot dust of Srimati Radharani. If you are not taking shelter of the Vrindavan Dham, you will never attain Krishna Prem, neither you can drown yourself in that Krishna's Prem ocean. Secondly, if you have not taken shelter of Vrindavan Dham, which is, what is that Vrindavan? Anasritya Vrindatabim Jat Atabhyam. That Vrindavan Dham, which is most dear to Srimati Radharani, and all these intimate pastimes happened there, most dear to Srimati. You have to take shelter. First is, you have not worshipped the foot dust of Srimati Radharani. Second one, you have not taken exclusive shelter of Vrindavan Dham. Third one, Asambhasya Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan. If you are not associating, you are not doing conversation, you are not hearing the nectar topics from those Rasik Vaishnavas, those who are very, very deep mood, and they have fully surrendered, dedicated their life in the service of Srimati Radharani. If you are not doing conversation with them, if you are not associated with them, then you can never attain Krishna Prem, you can never drown yourself in the ocean of Krishna Prem. Then your life is useless. That's why, with these words, we should pray to Srimati Radharani. Indirectly, you should pray to our Gurudev which is very most dear to Srimati Radharani, pray to him, so that the mercy of Radharani will come upon us, and one day Radharani will glance her merciful glance upon us. Our life will be successful, otherwise our life will be useless. जय वृषभानंदिनी श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय। जय ब्रजनंदन श्याम सुंदर कृष्ण चंद्र की जय। जय रूपानुग आचार्य शिल गुरुदेव की जय। रूपानुग गौड़ीय गुरुवर्ग की जय। समागत भक्त वृंद की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।